In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your hosting plan with Hostinger. Whether you already have a Hostinger account or are considering extending your current plan, I'll make sure to guide you through the renewal process smoothly and efficiently. To get started, you're going to want to log into your Hostinger account. Now, if you're already familiar with this part, go ahead and enter your credentials, the email and password associated with your account. For those of you doing this for the first time, simply head over to Hostinger's website, look for the login or sign-in option, and enter your details there. It's always a good idea to ensure your login information is up to date to avoid any hassles. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard. This is where you can access all your hosting information and manage your services. You are going to want to locate the Hosting tab on the main menu. Clicking on it will bring up a list of all the hosting services you currently have under your account. Now, take a moment to look through this list and identify the hosting plan you're planning to renew. Upon finding the right hosting service, look for the Renew button next to it. This button is your gateway to extending your plan, and once you click it, you'll be presented with various renewal options. These options will often differ in terms of duration from a few months to a couple of years. Consider your long-term website plans when choosing the right option for you. Longer durations often come with better value, which is something to keep in mind if you're committed to your online presence. After selecting the renewal period that suits you best, you'll move on to the payment process. Hostinger offers several payment options including credit cards, PayPal, and sometimes even cryptocurrencies, depending on your location. Double-check that the payment method you intend to use is updated and valid. This will help ensure a seamless transaction process. Once you've confirmed your payment details and everything looks good, go ahead and complete the checkout process. It may take a moment, but soon you'll receive a confirmation that your renewal was successful. It's always a nice touch to check your email for any confirmation messages, as they can serve as your receipt. Lastly, after finishing up, revisit the dashboard just to ensure your services reflect the new renewal period. It's reassuring to see those new dates and know everything is set for another term. And there we have it, your Hostinger hosting plan is renewed. Hopefully, this guide has made it easier for you to navigate the process. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials, and happy hosting!